Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. You got Bruce Woodburn, Cross Country Mortgage. They call me the Lone Ranger. I'm arranging loans for people to purchase, refinance, home equity, debt consolidation, construction loans, helping builders with builder lines. I mean, I got every loan program you could possibly think of, and some you've probably never even heard of. We are a direct lender. I'm in all 50 states. You got one of the top producing loan officers in the entire country that you're listening to right now. Now, I'm not bragging about that because I'm just a simple cowboy. Okay. But I am really good at helping people with mortgages, and I really love doing it. I'm 66 years old. I've been doing this for 36 years, and I'm still absolutely loving it. My wife was asking me when I'm planning on retiring. I can't retire. You guys will be stuck with some goofy loan officer out there that doesn't know what the heck they're doing or talks you into doing something that you shouldn't do. The Lone Ranger ain't going to do that. Man, do I love helping my client. I'm helping now. I closed a loan last month. Listen to this. I did a loan for a client. Her last name was Chap Delane. Closed their loan in like 1988. Then I did their son Brent's loan. Then I did his son Chad's loan. Now I'm looking at Chad's children. So this is great grandchildren. I'm telling you something. Unbelievable helping people like that. I am so enjoying watching these people amass wealth. Then I've got my clients like Ruby that her and her husband, they went to my Leapfrog program, loved it. They got like 10 properties right now. 10 properties worth millions now. And most of them they bought with minimum down payment. I'm telling you, you can do it, folks. The Lone Ranger's got all the tools for you to do it. Don't get caught up with one of these fast talking loan officers that just trying to switch you into doing something stupid. I'm going to guide you in the right direction. I would make sure every doggone one of you are treated just like I would want to be treated if I were buying a home today. And if you're looking for a real estate agent, don't pick your own real estate agent, folks. You're not doing a great job at it. I'm just going to tell you right now, it hurts me when you pick your own agent. And a lot of you do. You'll go, oh no, I found this person on Zillow, and they're been real nice and doing a great job. They paid to get your lead, folks. They paid. Why did they have to pay? Because they can't get business any other way. Now, here's the thing. There's a lot of great agents out there that are good at putting you on a home search, returning phone calls. They're very pleasant. But that's not the secret to hiring a great real estate agent. The secret is you want a great negotiator that's going to fight for you. You're leaving money on the table. And when you pick your own agent, I can't help you with that. I tell them how to negotiate your deal. Then they come back and go, well, the seller wouldn't go for that. That's because you're weak. That's why. I want a strong real estate agent to represent my clients. So you want a real estate agent, you call me, I'll connect you with a great real estate agent. They do not pay me 1 red cent for that lead. They give you up to 25% of their commission back. So you can put it toward closing costs, escrows, whatever you want, up to $10,000. If you're a real estate agent, you're going to want to know more about this program because I refer more clients out than any other lender I know of. I don't know any other. And they're all fully approved clients. These are not pre-qualified clients, fully approved clients. You want to know how to do it? Call the Lone Ranger, 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313. Just call me. I'm reachable. I return phone calls. I want to be there to help you, every one of you. All right. Interest rates steady in the mid sixes right now. I think once we start oil flowing out of the Strait of Hormuz, we're going to start seeing a little bit better interest rates. But now the Fed's talking about raising the Fed rate. Now, I know the new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, is not really interested in doing that. Trump doesn't want him to do it. I don't think he wants to do it, but they're getting pressure from the central banks because of inflation. The problem is inflation's only high right now because of the oil issue that's happening. As soon as that's resolved, inflation is going to come back down to 2.4, where it was, where Trump got it before. He got it there. He's going to get it back, folks. Okay. He's going to get it back. I have a lot of confidence in this president, and I know that that's political, but I'm going to tell you something. The fake news just keeps hammering and hammering and hammering, and I've never seen anybody get so much done as this guy. And I'm behind him. I'm also behind Governor Ron DeSantis. Governor Ron DeSantis is trying to get our homestead taxes eliminated. Now, let me tell you something, folks. It's going to be on the ballot. It will be on the ballot. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. Should you vote for it? 100% vote yes for this. 100%. Don't let the naysayers and the haters tell you, oh, there won't be any money to pay the police. There won't be any money to pay the fire department. None of them will be affected. I'm telling you right now, they will not be affected. There's not a Republican out there that wants to uh, uh, defund the police or the fire department. They don't want to do that, and they're not going to do that. The thing is that we're being ripped off by our local governments by frivolously spending our hard-earned tax money. That there's plenty of money there. There's plenty of money there. And homestead taxes doesn't account for the way they get most of their taxes anyway. So vote yes when it comes onto the ballot. It will reduce your property taxes by about 40%. Okay, approximately 40%. I'll take that all day long, folks, all day long. Now, once that's enacted, and once it's going to weave in over a couple of years, once that's in place, then they're going to go back and get even more. So their taxes, your property taxes are eliminated. Talk about trying to fix affordability. You've got questions for the Lone Ranger, I want you to call me now at 407 706 3313 or 813 213 4009. 813 213 4009. You can ask me any questions you want. I did an interview. Here's another thing that's going down your homeowner's insurance. I did an interview with Michael Urwowski, who is the Florida Insurance Commissioner. You can go to my YouTube page. It's not in there yet. I just finished the interview, but you're going to see a full-on interview with Michael and how we are reducing insurance rates so we can get the property taxes down. And if we can get your insurance rates down where you want them, wait, what happened to affordability? Now, should you buy right now? All of you that have been sitting on the sidelines, I'm going to tell you right now is one of the best times to buy because there's ample inventory. Sellers are willing to make deals, but I'm still seeing multiple offers on properties. If you want to know why I think you should buy, listen to this. Abundance of inventory. Sellers are willing to make deals. You can get home repairs done. You can get closing costs done. They'll pay for rate buy downs. And I can connect you with a real estate agent that will give you a rebate of their commission back. Now is a great time to buy. I've got down payment assistance programs if you're a first-time home buyer. Even if you're not a first-time home buyer, you want to buy a primary residence, I got a program that will put solar panels in your home for a new purchase, FHA. I'll get you in for no money down, closing costs paid, up to 5% toward down payment assistance that's forgiven as soon as I have your solar panels installed, and they'll be installed within 90 days. And now you don't have to pay any down payment assistance back. Telling you folks, it's a real deal. It's a real deal. 407 706 3313 or 813 213 4009 or webringyouhome.com. I'm a direct lender. I'm in all 50 states. I'm helping clients all over the country right now. I will help you. I will show you how to properly negotiate. If you're a real estate agent and you're not working with me, call me. Let's work together. If you want to accumulate wealth in real estate, join my class Tuesday, the 16th at 6 p.m. Zoom. But you're going to have to register at webringyouhome.com. Register now at webringyouhome.com. And I'm going to show you how to buy, whether it's your first home, your 25th home. I'm going to show you how to win in today's market. First-time home buyers, move-up buyers, investors, future investors, whatever it is, I got it, and I can show you how to accumulate wealth in real estate without putting 20% down every single time. You don't have to do that. I'll show you, if you're a veteran, I'll show you how to accumulate wealth at 5 times the pace of the average person. Because you're a veteran, you have the ability to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Call the Lone Ranger at 813-213-4009 or go to webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. You want to know about my down payment assistance program that we created? I will get you 5%, 3.5 to 5% of your down payment paid in down payment assistance. We'll install solar panels on your home. There will be no second lien for the solar panels, so you don't have to have that screwing you up, because you know how the loan arranger hates solar panels because of the UCC lien they put. No liens, no liens on it. It's added to your mortgage, folks. So you don't have to worry about refinancing. People that want to refinance that have solar panel leases or loans have a trouble refinancing because the solar panel company they're not willing to subordinate. I got 2 clients right now that couldn't sell their home because they got solar panels on it and the buyers qualified for a mortgage, but they didn't qualify to assume the solar panels. You don't want that, folks. Come to me. I got the solution for you. If you're a tree hugger and you love the solar panels, you're going to love this program. And you know what? You don't hear me pushing solar panels because I didn't like solar panels only because of how that affected your financing. But I got that situation solved with my solar panel down payment assistance program. Call me now at 813-213-4009. Real estate agents, if you're not marketing this, if you're not doing Facebooks, if you're not doing your YouTubes on this program, you're missing out on opportunities. And people aren't having the success that they could have because they don't know enough about it. Help me spread the word. Be my disciples out there, folks. Be my bird dogs. Help me help you find more business. There's plenty of people out there that we can help. Young folks, man, I'm telling you, I love helping you. I love helping you. 407, hold on, let me give you my Tampa number, 813-213-4009, or webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. So how about for all of you that are getting up there, you're in your 60s and you're thinking about a reverse mortgage. So I've been a critic of reverse mortgages since they came out. All right. But there's been a lot of changes, and Cross Country Mortgage got some special reverse mortgages that I really like. Now, you don't have to worry about the bank or me taking your mortgage or your house. If you pass on, your heirs can still have the house. There's no problem with that. I will get you a reverse mortgage. You got to put like 50% down, or you have to have 50% plus an equity. You will have no mortgage payments. No mortgage payments. I will get you a line of credit that will double every 10 years, and you don't have to pay it back. You don't have to pay it back. It just adds to your mortgage. So are your heirs going to have a higher payoff when you die if you live to be 110? Sure they will. But your house is going up in value. You know, homes double in value every 10 years. Statistically, they double in value every 10 years. So you buy a home today at 400, in 10 years, it should be worth about $800,000. Look at the history, folks. It does. It happens every time. So, I mean, and we've been soft for the last 3.5 years. The market's been soft. That is a buying signal. My friend, Warren Buffett, he tells you, be fearful when others are greedy, but be greedy when others are fearful. Now's the time to be greedy, folks. Why? Because all your friends are going, it's not affordable. You shouldn't buy. Rates are too high. Houses are too expensive. They're going to come down in price. Bull hockey. They're not going to do that. And listen, interest rates aren't going to come down. Not much. If they may come down a slight bit when we start pumping oil again, but they're not going to come down much. You're stuck with the 6s. I don't think we're going to get into 5s again. If we do, it'll be the high 5s. It'll be the high 5s. We might get there, but it'll be a long shot. Right now, we got pressure from the central banks wanting our new Fed chair to raise the Fed rate. He don't want to do it, but they're after him to do it. Now, listen, I'm going to recap a few things because I'm wrapping up the show. But before I do that, I want to tell you how blessed I am to have you listen to me today, because it is a true honor that you spent your Saturday with me. And that means a lot to me. I want you to write my number down. It's 813-213-4009, or go to webringyouhome.com. You will actually talk to me. Don't be surprised when I call you. I am having a home buyer class this Tuesday, the 16th, Zoom at 6 p.m. Register at webringyouhome.com. All realtors should be attending my class in Maitland on the 24th. This is going to be a non-QM loan product, and I'm going to give you marketing material that will blow your business out of, you'll explode. I'm going to give you so many products, and I'm going to design it to co-brand for you. So you won't want to miss this. I don't care if you're in Tampa or you're in Jacksonville. Come to Maitland, Florida. I'm buying you lunch. It's a 2-hour class. And I'm going to tell you something. If you don't get something out of it, you can write a bad review for me. How about that? Because this is going to knock your socks off. Realtors, you got to get in this class. I only have 100 seats. Go to webringyouhome.com and register now. I will see you next week.